You're drinking coffee, watching the chart, and thinking, okay, but how do you actually buy crypto? Let me show you. No magic, no invest everything, just simple. First step, you need a crypto platform. It's basically a bank, but for crypto. You sign up, verify your account, standard stuff. Then you choose a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or something else. And no, you don't need to buy everything at once. Start with a small amount, just to understand how it works. You click Buy, and that's it. The crypto is yours. Congrats, you're officially someone who owns crypto now. After that, it goes up, goes down, and goes up again. And you just don't panic. You drink your coffee. Follow for Crypto Explained without stress and complicated words.